Today, we're diving into a fascinating moment in the history of quantum theory, the meeting between Niels Bohr and John William Nicholson. Their exchange played a surprising role in shaping Bohr's revolutionary ideas about atomic structure and quantum theory. The Bohr-Nicholson connection. John William Nicholson was an early researcher trying to understand atomic structure and spectral lines. He was focused on explaining the light spectrum seen in stars and the sun. To do this, he introduced the idea of quantized energy levels, though his theory wasn't entirely accurate. In 1912, Bohr met Nicholson and got exposed to these ideas about spectral analysis and quantized energy. While Nicholson's theory wasn't perfect, it sparked something in Bohr. This meeting gave Bohr a fresh perspective, which helped him develop the Bohr atomic model, a key breakthrough in quantum theory. Why this meeting mattered for quantum theory. 1. Spectra and quantized energy. Nicholson's work involved the idea that energy levels inside atoms might be discrete, or quantized. Although his explanation of the atomic spectrum wasn't spot on, this concept of quantized energy really resonated with Bohr. Bohr ran with this idea and used it to explain how electrons can only exist in certain specific orbits, and how they emit or absorb light when they jump between these orbits. This concept became the foundation of his atomic model. 2. Bohr's atomic model. After their meeting, Bohr took Nicholson's ideas and applied them to his own work. By combining Nicholson's early ideas with his own, Bohr was able to explain the hydrogen atom's spectral lines using quantized orbits. This led to the completion of the Bohr atomic model, where electrons can only exist in fixed energy levels, and they release or absorb specific amounts of energy when they transition between these levels. 3. Nicholson's limitations. Though Nicholson's theory ultimately wasn't correct, his early work on quantized energy levels was crucial in getting Bohr to think in a new direction. Bohr refined these ideas and applied them successfully to atomic structure, pushing the boundaries of quantum theory. Wrapping it up, the meeting between Bohr and Nicholson is one of those key moments in science, where one idea helps inspire another, even if the original concept wasn't quite right. Nicholson's early ideas about quantized energy helped Bohr take the next big step in developing his atomic model, which would go on to revolutionize quantum theory. In the end, it's a reminder that collaboration, even when ideas aren't fully formed, can lead to some of the greatest breakthroughs in science.